The scientific methodology in climate change research follows a systematic and rigorous process to investigate and understand the Earth's climate system, the causes and impacts of climate change, and potential mitigation and adaptation strategies. This methodology is based on the scientific method, which involves observation, hypothesis formation, experimentation, data collection, analysis, and peer review. Here's an overview of the scientific methodology in climate change research. 1. Observation and data collection. Climate monitoring. Scientists begin by observing and monitoring various aspects of the climate system, including temperature, precipitation, sea level, greenhouse gas concentrations, and more. Paleoclimate data. Historical climate data, obtained from sources like ice cores, tree rings, and sediment layers, provide information about past climate variations. 2. Hypothesis formation. Identifying patterns. Based on observed data, scientists develop hypotheses to explain patterns or trends in climate variability and change. Formulating questions. Hypotheses often address questions about the drivers of climate change, such as human activities, anthropogenic factors, or natural processes. 3. Modeling and simulation. Climate models. Scientists use sophisticated computer models to simulate the behavior of the climate system. These models incorporate physical, chemical, and biological processes to project future climate scenarios. Scenario analysis. Researchers explore different emission scenarios and factors influencing climate to understand potential future outcomes. 4. Experimentation and data analysis. Field studies. Scientists conduct field studies, experiments, and observations to gather additional data. This may include deploying instruments, conducting surveys, and analyzing samples. Data analysis. Collected data is analyzed using statistical methods and computational tools to identify trends, correlations, and potential causative factors. 5. Peer review. Scientific community evaluation. Research findings undergo a peer review process, where other experts in the field critically evaluate the methodology, data, and conclusions of the study. Publication. Once accepted, the research is published in scientific journals, making it accessible to the broader scientific community. 6. Validation and reproducibility. Independent verification. Results are subject to validation through independent research and verification by other scientists. Reproducibility is crucial for building confidence in the findings. Consensus building. Over time, a consensus emerges within the scientific community when multiple studies independently reach similar conclusions. 7. Continuous monitoring and updating. Long-term observations. Climate change research involves continuous monitoring of the climate system to track changes over time. Model refinement. Climate models are updated and refined as new data becomes available, improving their accuracy and reliability. 8. Risk assessment and impact studies. Assessing risks. Scientists assess the risks associated with climate change, including the potential impacts on ecosystems, human health, agriculture, and infrastructure. Vulnerability studies. Research focuses on understanding the vulnerability of different regions and communities to climate change impacts. 9. Communication of results. Public awareness. Findings are communicated to policymakers, the public, and other stakeholders through reports, presentations, and educational initiatives. Policy recommendations. Climate research contributes to the development of policies aimed at mitigating climate change and adapting to its effects. 10. Interdisciplinary collaboration. Integration of disciplines. Climate change research often involves collaboration across disciplines, including atmospheric science, oceanography, ecology, sociology, and economics. Holistic understanding. A comprehensive understanding of climate change requires considering both natural and human-induced factors and their interconnected impacts. The scientific methodology in climate change research is iterative and dynamic, with ongoing efforts to refine models, gather more data, and enhance our understanding of the complex interactions within the Earth's climate system. The process is characterized by transparency, scrutiny, and openness to new evidence, contributing to the robustness of climate science.